welcome to today's video where we're going to look at movie mix sweets. Mega value, there's 600 grams in a packet, and these are available from B&M and sold in Heron as well, I believe, and maybe some Home Bargain stores. I'm not too sure about that because I haven't seen them in Home Bargains, but I've definitely seen them in B&M and Heron, which are basically all the same shop. And let's open it up and see what's inside. Apparently these are made in Turkey, or it says on the back of them. So put this down so I don't want to make a mess on the table. So basically we have cola bottles and eggs, cherry, maybe sour flavour cherries, and I'm not sure what these are, but they're pink and blue bottles, maybe like the cola bottles. I'm not sure what too sure they are. Some kind of shark hump, maybe. And jelly tangerine thing, and stringy pink thing. Well, it seems to be the same kind of things. Oh no, we've got one more. A little jelly bear. I don't know, we've got raspberry as well. Some kind of raspberry or blueberry, I don't know. And yeah, it all seems to be the same kind of things. More jelly things. A lot of this stuff. Lots and lots of this. Just hope it's not sour. Probably will be. Yeah, it's just the same things over and over. Movie mix. So yeah, let's try out a cherry and see what they're like. And it's not sour. It's like not sugar. It's like slightly halfway between sweet and sour. But it's neither, and it's not the same. It's neither and not the same. It's somewhere halfway between. So, let's try an egg. It's got like orange flavour. Yeah, it's orange flavour, and it's basically just a normal jelly. Nothing's too special. Now, if cola bottles are something that you can easily get wrong, and they end up tasting of not cola. So let's try it and see what we'll get. Yes, we actually can taste cola with this cola bottle. So yeah, they're perfectly fine. Now, let's see what these are. I want to say some kind of raspberry thing. Flavour, maybe strawberry. I don't know. Strawberry flavour. And yeah, it seems to be that everything just seems to be repeated. Nothing too interesting in here, but yeah, basically fine for something to snack on during a film. So, I give it a thumbs up. If you enjoyed that video, please check back soon for more videos coming soon.